So I wanted to actually share with you guys some of my real vision boards and then give you a side-by-side comparison of some pictures of them actually coming true. Because I know that this manifestation stuff can come off very woo-woo and people think that they can just put things on a board or in a journal and their dreams come to life. And I'm telling you that while these things take work and effort, and you're not just copy pasting and putting on a piece of paper and doing nothing, I'm telling you that when you go out of your way and put your dreams on paper, whether it's a journal, a vision board, it's going to happen. Your subconscious mind looking at it every day in and day out, you will see results. And this is all real stuff. And it's personal to me, but I wanted to share with you guys so you can actually believe in your dreams, believe in yourselves, and know that God, the universe, is working with you. And the minute you allow yourself to put it on paper and truly believe it, it will happen, because you're dropping those limiting beliefs and allowing yourself to actually receive. That's what I'm here to tell you, is that you are worthy, you are enough, and you are worthy of the things you desire. And yeah, I'm not saying that these things will bring you happiness. Happiness is the journey, and the journey is the destination. And that's what you'll see, and that's what I've seen in my own life, is that it's not the actual destination. It's not the thing that brings you happiness. It's the journey in getting there. It's the journey in trusting your heart, yourself, and believing in your worth, believing in your power, and truly going after what you want. And so let me show you them right now. Okay, so I created these two back in, I think, 2014, 2015. And I'm pretty positive these were before I met my husband. And this was before I started working for a global shipping company. So as you can see in this first one, I have my face on TED, which is pretty funny. I have not been on TED. So that's true. I have not done that, but I am on YouTube. So kind of similar. But I have global reach here, and I'm going to do a side-by-side and show you that I worked in international logistics sales. I'll post a pic right here for you to see that I had no idea making this vision board was going to get me to that point. But I ended up globally working with import and export customers, selling refrigerated cargo space on container ships, as well as dry cargo. It was a whole thing. And I am just shocked that I created this vision board and had no idea. So get clear on specifics, because the specifics in your vision boards will happen. What else? Leading the way. I was a manager. I created this, and then I met my husband, and we ended up doing a transcendental meditation certification together. We went to Hawaii, and I'll post a picture of that for you guys. We vacationed, drank way less alcohol. I did more of what I loved. We went paddleboarding in Hawaii, and then I ended up getting my yoga teacher training certification, and this is moved on to here. I created this when I was in my yoga teacher training certification after the fact. This board right here. And then I most recently created this board because we are working towards either adding on to our house or moving. And I felt like I needed to have a visual of what we were looking for. This one I created like 2 weeks ago. But I just wanted to give you guys an example and really show you that this stuff works. I am not kidding. Get specific. And I did this back in 2014, and we are doing pretty well with owning our house here. I'm not trying to brag with all of this. I'm just saying that put your dreams on paper. It really does make a difference. I did a beautiful yoga session in Hawaii when I was there, and I'll post a picture of that right now. But it's just magical how real these things become. And don't be embarrassed. I ended up having a babysitter come over the other day, and she was new and it was her first time watching our kids, and I totally forgot that I had pulled all of these vision boards out. I pulled them all out and I had them out all over the house. And she had never been to our house before and didn't really know us well. And I'm sure she was probably like, what in the world is scattered all over this house? Like Ari's face on a TED Talk, kind of weird. But own it. Like, I hope she asks me about it and I will tell her about it, because this is life. Don't be afraid of what you want. Don't feel dumb. I mean, when these things become real, are you going to be embarrassed then? No. Like, who gives? Put your dreams out there. I promise you, it's worth it. Love you guys.